Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, for allowing me to take part in this general discussion on the budget presented by Honorable Chief Minister. I stand here today to sincerely thanks to the Honorable Chief Minister and both the Deputy Chief Minister and his cabinet for the strong commitments to the development of our state and especially in my constituency. Under the dynamic guidance of our Honorable Chief Minister, we have witnessed remarkable progress in a critical sector such as road and connectivity, healthcare infrastructure, education, rural development, sports, tourism, and social welfare, and so on. I thank the government for initiating a major road project in my constituency that will boost economic growth, including the upgradation for the Nong Stoin Mau 8 road at a cost of 383 crores and the Plangmenroi Balat Road, Ranikor, at a cost of 280 crores. This road will greatly benefit the people by improving connectivity to the district headquarters and Nong Stoin and by extending the link to the East Khasil district. Ranikor is a vast constituency. Last year, our Honorable Chief Minister has visited in my constituency, and this year, our Deputy Chief Minister in charge, PUD, has visited in my constituency. To reach Ranikor civil substation is very difficult without proper roads. Hence, we urgently need improved road connectivity for Wakaji Franglon Ranikor route and Wiloi Mokorwat Ranikor route to further enhance access, economics, activity and development in these areas. I sincerely appreciate the government for sanctioning several sub-centers in my constituency. The continued focus of strengthening healthcare infrastructure across the state is commendable. I request to speed up the proposed upgradation of Ranikor Community Health Center into a 100-bed hospital, along with a long pending to converting the Mauput sub-center into the primary health center, which will improve access to quality medical care and benefit to the people of the area. I am also thankful for the proposal of establish a forest beat house in the Ranikor constituency and sincerely request to speed up the process so that the people can benefit at the earliest at the increasing of wildlife conflict in a major concern in the area. In the field of education, our constituency currently has no government higher secondary school or college. Establishing these institutions will provide local students with greater access to quality education and open up opportunities for all skill development and higher studies without needing to travel far. I would also like to highlight the process of speeding up the purpose of Nongna tourism sports and further unlocking Ranikor tourism by identifying more sites which can generate employment and promote local livelihood in rural economy. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the government for its continued efforts and support towards the development of sports and youth empowerment in the state. Meghalaya has a great potential among its youth, but they need proper facilities to develop their skills. I request the government to sanction synthetic artificial turf at Nong Lam waited for sanctioning in my constituency, develop of natural grass field, upgrade existing sports ground and indoor stadium in my constituency. Access to electricity is a basic necessity and vital for development. Around 10 villages in my constituency has remained without proper power for many years. Living resident is in complete darkness despite the government emphasis on rural electrifications. I sincerely request the urgent step to be taken up to ensure full electricity coverage of every household in these villages so that they are not deprived for necessary facilities. Regarding animal and husbandry, veterinary hospital, in my constituency, there are 2 dispensaries that is located in Nongna and Nongjiri, but till now they have only a chowkidar. I request the department to sanction the post in this dispensary. Once again, I sincerely thank the Honourable Speaker, the Honourable Chief Minister, and everyone working tireless for the development of our state. Your dedication and support give us hope and confidence for a brighter, prosperous future for all. With these few words, I receive my seat. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you.